This is CarrierBliss, your entire trucking operation, revenue, miles, rate per mile, on one dashboard. Drop in a rate confirmation. Our AI pulls every detail and builds the load for you. Your load board. Filter by type, status, or date. Every load, one screen. Dispatch straight to your driver's phone. They update status and upload proof of delivery. Manage your roster. See who's rolling, who's on leave, and who's ready right now. Add admins and dispatchers. Set their pay percentage. Control who sees what. Every delivered load becomes an invoice. Track what's factored, what's sent, what's paid. One click, and you've got a clean, branded invoice PDF ready for the broker. Settlements build themselves. Delivered loads, driver pay, deductions, done. Hand every driver a professional settlement statement. No more spreadsheets. At year-end, total contractor earnings for every driver, instantly. Then generate 1099 NEC forms right inside the platform. Tax season? Handled. Your company, your logo, your brand color on every document you send. CarrierBliss.com. Start free, 14 days, no credit card.